Hello students, Dr. Meyer here. I wanted to record a quick video describing the toxic charity integration as part of the social justice issue paper assignment. Now, the toxic charity principles and ideas is probably the part of the paper that I have the most questions about. And so I wanted to provide this separate video to kind of explain the process of integrating toxic charity ideas into your social justice issue paper. Now, first of all, the author of this article, Toxic Charity, is Robert Lupton, and he tries to describe and tries to help you as the reader understand that an essential aspect when serving others is to make sure that the charitable service you are providing is not toxic, but rather that it's truly health promoting and empowering to those being served. So what I want you to do is take out that article and read through the article from start to finish. In that article, there are 103 toxic charity principles that Robert Lupton asks us to keep in mind when responding and helping others related to social justice issues. I would encourage you to read this article prior to choosing your social justice issue topic, because I think it will help you to identify a topic in which you can make a correlation or relate these toxic charity principles to. So be sure to read this article before you finalize your decision on the topic you want to research and write about. And then once you've read that article and you have your research for your paper related to your social justice issue topic, really, to put it simply, what you're going to be doing is integrating at least 3 of those toxic charity ideas from the paper into your paper. So like I said, there are 103 ideas that Lupton described. You only need to choose 3 at a minimum. And most students, when they integrate these ideas, they either explain how that toxic charity idea relates to the issue that they're writing about. They can make connections from that toxic charity idea to the issue. Or the other common way students integrate the toxic charity principles is to either agree or disagree with what Robert Lupton is telling us in those toxic charity ideas. So again, 2 ways to integrate. The first would be to perhaps explain that toxic charity idea and how it relates to your social justice issue. Or another alternative way is to either agree or disagree with those toxic charity ideas that you've chosen. So be sure to integrate at minimum 3 toxic charity ideas. And as I mentioned in an earlier video, sometimes the easiest way to integrate these is to simply create a header that says toxic charity principles and then start integrating into your paper that way. So please reach out with any questions. Again, I look forward to reading your papers.